Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing one of the most popular property management software options, Innago. If you're a landlord or property manager, you know how challenging it can be to keep track of all the moving parts involved in managing properties. Innago aims to make this process simpler and more efficient with its easy-to-use platform and free plan option. In this video, we're going to be diving into some of the key features of Innago. And for those looking for something with more advanced capabilities, we'll cover some of the best Innago alternatives on the market. So whether you're a seasoned property manager or just starting out, sit back and let's explore the world of Innago Property Management Software together. So what is Innago? Innago is a property management software. Innago Features. Innago is known for having robust reporting tools as well as somewhat unique verification tools. Innago's features include basic accounting tools such as expense tracking and online payments, tax management, some basic leasing tools such as credit checks, tenant tracking, reporting, maintenance management, owner portal, and tenant portal. Innago Pricing. Innago is known for its free pricing tier, which has no monthly charge. With that said, it's not without its cost. So while Innago doesn't have a monthly charge, it does still charge a fee for ACH and debit transactions. In addition, it does charge $30 to $35 for background history checks. Now that you have a good idea of whether Innago is a good fit for you or not, let's talk about a good few alternatives. Number 1, DoorLoop. DoorLoop is for you if you're looking for the perfect marriage between a robust, all-in-one feature set and affordability. It offers a comprehensive set of features that covers every aspect of property management without a single thing left behind, from accounting to leasing, maintenance, marketing, and so much more. DoorLoop Features. Make rent collections seamless with automatic rent payments, rent tracking, and a convenient tenant portal where tenants can pay rent and other obligations, message you, and more. Streamline your maintenance management from creating work orders to assigning to a vendor, adding comments and documents, paying out to vendors, and even communicating with the tenants along the way. Simplify your leasing process with e-leasing tools, tenant screening, database storage, and more. Supercharge your marketing with automatic listings, an IDX-approved website, and more. Tenant and owner portals make it easier than ever to keep everything right in one place. Powerful accounting features that allow you to handle all of your property accounting features from one place. Convenient QuickBooks online integration, and so much more. DoorLoop Pricing. DoorLoop starter plan is just $49 per month for up to 20 units and includes the lion's share of its features. Schedule a free demo of DoorLoop to try it out today. Number 2, Rentec Direct. Another good option, Rentec Direct, is affordably priced with a robust feature set. If features are most important to you but you're on a strict budget, Rentec is one to consider. Rentec Direct Features. Robust accounting features, maintenance management, and a tenant portal. Rentec Direct Pricing. Rentec Direct starts at $35 per month for the first 10 units. After that, as opposed to a standard per unit per month model, you'll move up in tiers depending on how many units you have. For 50 units, for example, you'll pay $55, while 500 is $450. Number 3, Condo Control. Condo Control is an option for those looking for something built specifically for condos. Condo Control features bulletin boards, calendar management, parking tracker, and online rent payments. Condo Control Pricing. Condo Control has named pricing tiers online, though it doesn't actually list its pricing. However, you'll need to contact them directly to find out more about their pricing. And that's a wrap on our review of Innago. Remember, while Innago is a great option for those starting out in property management, there are other options out there that offer more advanced capabilities and a more comprehensive suite of features. That's where DoorLoop comes in. With its all-in-one platform, affordable pricing, and exceptional ease of use and customer support, DoorLoop is the number 1 Innago alternative on the market. So if you're ready to take your property management game to the next level, head over to doorloop.com to learn more and start your free trial today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and insights on real estate and property management.